Yep.
Oh no, oh no. You forgot. Do it quick before she looks. Do it quick, the neighbor's watching. Good job, you're doing great. Oh wow, that was fast.
I did. A while ago.
He did it.
Apple Card has aired its new and funny commercial named as Ladder. She is up on a ladder cleaning out the gutters, and a woman asks her husband if he remembered to pay their Apple Card. Apple Card says that its credit card makes your payments simple. Apple Card makes paying your bills simple and fast.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, hit the like button, turn on notifications, so you will be notified whenever we uploaded a new video.